Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video I'm gonna show you this conditioner which is from a brand known as TRESemme. It's a very well-known brand nowadays. Not nowadays, it's been a year and more that this product is very famous, and it's written over here that it is used by professionals, like mostly in salons, very good salons and all. Expert selection and Keratin Smooth. Keratin is a kind of protein which is used for building the strong hair. So it's written over here with new thermal technology. Apart from that, it's written over here that 7-day smooth system. For 7 days you have to apply and you'll feel very smooth hair. It's a conditioner and the pack size is 250 ml. Apart from that, over here they have mentioned the direction and other ingredients and all, so you have to read this also, how you have to use it and all. Now I'll show you how to open it. And here the cream comes, as you can see. Yes, so this is it. Friends, go and try this shampoo, TRESemme shampoo, and this conditioner. They're very good. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more such videos. Go and use it, it's best. Thank you.